Hello everyone, I hope you are doing very well at this meeting. Officially today is AWFA's first public presentation. AWFA Studios was born as a company and a solution to the problem of exclusion, where we seek to promote inclusion through interactive sessions and dialogue. Continuing with the presentation, what's the problem we are addressing? The problem we face is the issue of exclusion, so we seek to promote inclusion. Exclusion generates stereotypes, stigmas, prejudices, and acts of discrimination against society, based on tastes, thoughts, sexual orientation, complexion, ethnicity, gender, among others. Social exclusion refers to the process by which people are excluded for participating in the society of which they are a part. This process results in multiple deprivations which are reflected in the personal, economic, social, and political sphere.
AWFA is our application's name and seeks to generate awareness and reflection in its users through application dynamics, as well to provide the best user experience to its consumers throughout hardware, software and innovating service establish an alternative and in-person conversations. We want to shape the future of the internet by creating opportunity values and opportunities for our customers, employers, investors, and ecosystems. I thought that our principal mission is to make our society or an environment that can help people that feel like exploited or feel like discriminated by social groups. I think it is not like an uploading activity or an uploading project. I thought that is like a move of make that society to improve. I mean, we can make this project funk into this institution and tech. It can be about outside with your family or your friends, etc.
Vision. By 2028, we estimate to improve the average of 2015 downloads, which will allow us to better position ourselves in the App Store Play Store download ranking. In addition, we are looking for approximately 10-15% of population that have heard of the app and know about it, while 10 and 12% of the total population to be recurring users. We also foresee alliances and sponsorships with companies that promote inclusion and respect. For example, Google, HCBC, Citibanamex, Bancomer, Mastercard, AT&T, GNP, among others. We make the company visible by expanding the number of languages in which it operates, including English, French, German, Italy, Chinese, Arabic, among others.
ODS, gender equality in relation to the objective of gender equality, we seek to generate an environment that allows healthy coexistence as well as allowing people a space for dialogue to express their problems, to reduce inequalities and ensure that no one is left behind in the process of sustainable development of society. We want to create an environment which, regardless of individual characteristics, our users can be part of a group, a community, or a family. Finally, we seek to promote just, peaceful, and inclusive societies. We want to promote equal access to justice, inclusive, participatory, and representative decision-making, and public access to information, as well as recognition of effective and accountable institutions. We seek to eliminate discriminatory laws and society norms that are still present in the sexist and disrespectful society. Insecurity, conflict, and security-weak institutions, unlimited access to justice continue to pose a serious threat to sustainable development.
The organization chart of our company is composed as follows. The CEO founder is me, Angel Mendoza. I am the creator of the company as well as the one in charge of making decisions and running the company. In addition, I am in charge of supervising the actions of the staff. Next is Agustin Rubin, the COO and CFO, who is responsible for the day-to-day operations of the company, as well as the economic and financial planning. The CMO and CTO is Hector Diaz, who oversees the marketing of the company as well as establishing a commercial and business strategy for the development of the company. Finally, the CCO and CIO is Roberto Martinez, who is in charge of supervising the commercial activities of the company, in addition to establishing the technological strategies to achieve the company's objectives.
Synthesis of the project and target audience. The target audience is 15 years old, since it is an estimated average in which the nearest already have a cellular device in the demographic area will be from Mexico, and especially in the city of Toluca and the municipal of Mixtepec. AWFA, as I have told, is our name's application. It's an application in which 4-minute sessions are carried in out, in which people who have been victims of some type of discrimination or exclusion can interrupt groups of 4 or 5 people and made a mediator to talk about their experience, establishing a dialogue through a message. And I thought that our idea is very good. I think it's a very good idea to help others. I mean, it's like creative and it's like private, this like app, no? And I thought that maybe, as I have told, it's not like an application only for uploaded. I think that it's more than that. I think that we have to improve in the term of inclusion and other things, no? But I think it's a little great of sent, so helps other people, no?
The first screen is the home screen, where 3 different icons were placed: support and help, request a meeting, view a tip. These icons are specially located at the bottom. The second screen sends you a QR code or link that will direct you to a group, where the section will make a place that you can make use of message, stickers, emojis, and even audios. This is where the dialogue between the 4 people takes place. The third screen appears 20 seconds after scanning the QR code in the app, where a thank you message is provided. The fourth screen is mobile, where you can listen a motivational phrase. The fifth screen sends you to a support and frequently asked questions, where any problem with the app is solved there. The user experience is simply too easy to understand. Easy of navigation is presented without any complication for the user. We promote sites as fast loading times and application all the times. Also, in our user interface, we make it clear which elements are interactive and which are not. We design comfortable touch zones with a range of 7 to 10 millimeters, as well as making that we make sure that there are no interruptions in the user for app, like forced advertisements, help spam, and among others. So that's the user interference and the user experience for AWFA.
How does our project solve the problem? Our application works in support of mental health and physiological services, as well as performing a social work in favor of the important and transcendent that is the expression of emotions, feelings, and sensations, whether positive or negative. The needs covered by our application are mainly of mental and psychological health, enhancing self-esteem, courage, and respect, among others. We want to offer a health service at the service of all users, without the need to travel to a specialist. We will gradually eliminate exclusion and the derivatives of discrimination. Our application has the main objective of promoting inclusion among all types of people. In AWFA, they will have a place where they can express themselves without fear of being discriminated against.
If you don't see your own value, you will choose people who won't see it either. When you learn to say I don't want this for my life anymore, many things change, because when you fall in love with you, the world falls in love with who you are.